Welcome to ABC Adventure Quest!
Letter J, come along with me. Is it juice? Is it moon? Or is it star? Think, which one is?
It's juice! J for juice! We found it, hooray!
Letter K, come along with me. Is it kite? Is it drum? Or is it leaf? Think, which one is? It's kite. K for kite. We found it, hooray! Letter L, come along with me. Is it lion? Is it fox? Or is it cheetah? Think, which one is? It's lion. L for lion. We found it, hooray! Today we learned J, K, L, and tomorrow M and O will try.
Welcome to ABC Adventure Quest!
Hi, little friends! I'm Sparkly, your Golden Star teacher. Welcome to Little Star Rhymes, fun learning, bright songs, happy smiles, and yes, totally ad-free fun, because learning should always be joyful.